of life is to live an impactful life that is qualitative. That when people come closer to you, they sense a life of quality emanating from you. You and God, Fred, when you shall become a president, be impactful to people. Be impactful to people. Create an impact to the people. Professor Ongero, when he was the Minister of Education, that's when I knew him. You were so impactfful in the Ministry of Education. But I can as well confess, when Fred Okengo became the CS after you, he impacted Kenya. Onyaba sigisi batatu onjukire oyo moga ntebeti kumana mulini tiga ruji Loret agatebanga nonye tubwatu yoito no inumu bwatu omuntu tonyora basaja buna Fred 5 in Kenya. It will change forever. The reason why we are struggling in our country is because we have leaders who are not impactful in what they do. We want the people who impact life, not when you are in leadership and the people are crying, crawling, suffering, pained. That's not living an impactful life. Dr. Fred, you cannot become a president and you pocket every money and we become poor where you are enjoying food. You can. That's why I always tell the senator, he knows what I tell you because I see the closer to you. Koko tebia, kere weekend, inchua, torangere. We need to eat. We need to eat. Fred muna wacha, tigenda geransa, genda. People don't eat your presence, they eat what you carry. That's when you are impactful. That's why wherever Jesus could go, people could follow him because they knew if we follow Jesus, he could impact our lives. Be impactful in this life. As a pastor, I must be impactful.